So everyone at a company needs to be able to touch money, but as finance teams know, not everyone should have the same level of access to it.
Ramp's largest customers have always cared about their financial controls and their security, but increasingly as we have customers joining our ranks from regulated industries, we need to make sure that everything they want to do is expressible on the platform and easy to get done.
So we're shipping custom roles, which is the ability to create a role from scratch. We are now enabling entity restrictions by role. So that means that your AP clerk can only see the bills for their specific entity that they're assigned to. And custom groups. Let's say you want a group for executives, that executives can only do certain things. We now allow you to do that too. In addition to that, we also are launching an enhanced audit log experience, so all the changes that are made can be tracked over time.
We're seeing as companies scale internationally, scale to new business lines, their org gets more complex, but their Ramp instance doesn't have to.
We're partnering with companies that have 100 plus different entities, that have 10,000 plus employees, and we're really excited about how Ramp is scaling with them.